how to do keyword research for Amazon affiliate blog, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, search for Ubersuggest, and open this first link. Here on the top right, we have a sign in button, click on it. Here we have two sign in options. Click on this below register here link and here select this continue with Google button. So this is the Ubersuggest dashboard, and from here you can create projects. From the left panel, select Keyword Analyzer, and here we have Keyword Overview, Keyword Ideas, and Content Ideas. Click on this Keyword Overview, copy your product's name from Amazon and paste it in the search bar. Then select your language and location and click Search. And here you get a full keyword overview with search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, cost per click. Here we have full analytics with a list of keywords, and you can view all keyword ideas from here. Click on it. From here you can see all your keyword suggestions. These are all the results for this product. Back on Amazon, let's open another product and copy its name. Now paste it in Ubersuggest and search. Here again, you will get all the keyword ideas for this one. You can copy this to the clipboard from here, or you can export it to CSV from this button. Click on it and your data will be exported. Now open this file from here, and here you can see all your data in CSV format with keywords, search volume, CPC, paid difficulty, and SEO difficulty. So this is how you can do keyword research for Amazon affiliate blog. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 16. How to find low competition keywords for your affiliate blog. In that video, we will see how to find low competition keywords for your affiliate blog, step by step. See you in